learners, today we are going to start with chapter 2, globes and maps. So in this chapter, we will study about the globes and map. So what is globe? It is a miniature model of the earth. And what is map? It is a diagrammatic representation. So write the features of these maps. You have to write the features of physical map, political map and thematic map. So first is globe. Let's study about the globe. So here, the earth is so big that we cannot see or study the whole earth. At the same time, we use a model of the earth to study about it. This model is called globe. वो कैसा होता है? Spherical in shape होता है, and it helps us to understand how our earth looks like, and it also gives an idea about the location of the continent, countries, seas and oceans. The role on which the globe spins, what it's do? It's represent our axis. Right? Now what is map? Map is a drawing or a picture of the earth on a flat surface like paper. A globe, a map also shows location of countries, mountains, rivers, oceans, seas. It can usually hug huge on the wall and folded and carried in a palm. आप इसको easily fold कर सकते हो, carry कर सकते हो, hold कर सकते हो. A big book of map is called atlas. So a person who studies map. The person who studies map is called cartographer. Now maps and globe. Here a difference is given about the maps and globe. A map is a drawing of a whole or a part of Earth on a flat surface. Where globe is the model of Earth. Map can be folded easily and carried anywhere, but globe cannot be folded. It's very hard to carry or difficult to carry. Right? A map gives much information about the place, whereas globe does. Another difference is that all the places all together on the map, it is different to see than together on the globe. मैप पे आप अलग-अलग चीज़ों को देख सकते हो लेकिन ग्लोब पे नहीं देख सकते। Now types of maps. How many types of maps do we have? We have 3 types of map: physical map, political map and thematic map. If we talk about physical map, what it shows you? Physical features like mountains, plains, plateaus, rivers, desert, lakes, forests. These all are shown in the physical map, right? Brown color is used for mountain, blue color for river and lakes, and green for forest. Next, we have political map which shows different states and capitals and different countries, cities that are used in the area. Then we have thematic maps which is theme based, means crops grown, soil type, rainfall, population and mineral resources. These all things are shown over here. You can see here this is thematic map, physical map and political map. Next is let's study about the elements of map. What do we have? We have scale. So a map represents a part or a whole of the earth, but it is smaller than the actual area. To determine the distance between two locations on the map, what we use? We use scales. So scale acts like a ruler and the word to scale shows the exact portion of the map and the real distance. It is defined as the ratio of distance on the map to an actual ground distance. Next is legend. It is explanation box. What it gives? Different signs or things which is printed on the map. Legends is also called map piece. And the given pictures, what it's explained? It explains city, park, police route. And this is also known as legend. A person who draws map or make maps, what we call him? A cartographer. Next is color and symbols. All maps have common colors to represent different landforms like light and dark blue. It is used for water bodies, dark brown and light brown for mountains, yellow for deserts, plateaus, green for plains, white for snow-covered mountains. And these are the different symbols that we use for land, water, mountains, forests, small towns, cities, river, hospital, police station, fire station, park and road. Then we have direction. We have 4 direction and what we call them 4 cardinal points like north, south, east, west. And we have some other direction too. Let me show you over here. This is north, this is south, this is west and this is east. These are the 4 cardinal, right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying. Now we are going to start with exercise of this chapter. First is multiple choice question. The boundaries of the country are found in. जो boundaries है country की वो कहाँ देखने को मिलती है? Political map में. A dash tells us the detail about various information. क्या बताता है? Legends, direction, globe या scale? Scale बताता है. Next is globes helps us to know about the actual dash of the place, location of the place. अब on the map the color brown. Color brown किसको दिखाता है? That is mountains. Following is a type of map. तो political क्या है? Type of map है. Next is fill in the blanks. A dash is a drawing or a picture of the earth on a flat surface like paper. तो map होता है. What it is? It is map. Next is a person who studies map. जो map को study करता है वो कौन होता है? A person who studies map is called a, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Cartographer. Next is the dash color is used for mountains. कौन सा कलर हम यूज करते हैं? Brown. And dash color is used for river. कौन सा? Blue. Legends is also called dash. Signs. Dash are the important part of map. Scale. Scales क्या होते हैं? सबसे important part होते हैं. Now write T for true and F for false statement. Globe can be folded and kept in pocket. False. किसको रख सकते हो आप? Map को. All maps are heavy to carry. False. Globes are heavy to carry. Maps are only printed and cannot be drawn. False. हम draw भी कर सकते हैं map को. Globe comes in only one size. Globe खाली एक ही size में आता है. नहीं, different size में आता है. False. There are different types of maps. It's true. कुछ physical map, political map and thematic map. Now match the following. Globe. Round. Map. Flat. Oceans. Blue. Mountains. Brown. Scale. Ratio of distance. Next is answer the following question. First is what is globe? Globe क्या होता है? It is a miniature model of the earth. Miniature model of the earth. How is globe different from map? Globe क्या होता है? भाई it's heavy. It's very hard to carry to different places. पर map को आप easily fold कर सकते हो और अलग-अलग places पे ले जा सकते हो. Write any two uses of map. आपको distance find करने में help करता है. Right? What are the three different kinds of map? कौन-कौन से map होते हैं? Political map, physical map and thematic map. What are the various elements of map? क्या-क्या different elements होते हैं map के? Right? That you have to write. Right? So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we have completed the exercise. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.